What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Bonk. And yes guys, it is another red day for the crypto. Overall it did pump up in value earlier on this afternoon, drop back down in value, and yeah, carry on dropping, but it has gained just about 0.2%, nothing major. So we're going to be looking at predictions for Bonk. Has it changed? Has anything impacted the value of the crypto? And as you guys probably saw by the thumbnail, 10x in 2024, is it possible for Bonk? I've seen a lot of comments saying it's going to 10x, 20x, or even 100x. But obviously before we hit all of that, 10x is the first one. So can it do that in 2024? And if so, when can you expect it? Is now the right time to buy it? Is it right time to buy the dip, shall I say? Or should you wait for it to drop further to invest into the crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, it did resist at the resistance target earlier on today, which is kind of showing us some positive news. So it's either going to bounce back up or literally resisting and then break back down into the green zone here, which means an overall drop, but we'll get into that later on in the video. For now, let's bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can see that the value of Bonk is getting closer and closer to the purple target here, which is the SMA indicator. This gives us the average value of Bonk, so it is coming back to a realistic figure close to the SMA indicator, which I did predict in my previous updates on Bonk as well. So yeah, in a way we are performing quite good. I know it's dropping in value, it's not, performing well, but it was overvalued, as I mentioned plenty of times. So the fact that it's slowly dropping down to the purple zone here is making it quite a realistic value. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line still looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So guys, more drops in value are expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, it should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Again, I'm not saying it's going to be a major crash or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal drop in value, but do expect green candles in between, just like the last 24 hours. But the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side, meaning an overall drop is what is expected. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days. Now we're not looking bearish. That's one thing I can say. The blue and the orange line are slightly slanting towards the positive direction, guys. It is not looking too steep, so it is just about going in a positive direction, meaning very minimal gains in value are expected from Bonk over the next 7 to 8 days. So essentially by mid next week, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. I'm not expecting any major increases in value. In fact, over the next couple of days, it is likely to start hitting more red days before starting to pump up slowly in value towards the end of this week, early next week as well, making it trade at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment by mid next week. Now let's move on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks. What can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit more skeptical. The blue line is clearly heading towards the bearish direction, and the orange line is clearly going towards the positive direction. So what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Bonk for around February 2024? I am expecting an overall drop in value. If you guys have been watching my videos, you would know that I've always predicted that, and I still stick by that as well. And in 2024, can Bonk 10x? Again, we can't really say right now. It is too early. Personally, I don't believe it will, but if it does have the potential to, for example, if it goes for a major upgrade, or a celebrity like, I don't know, Elon Musk, tweets about it, or has anything to do with it, then of course we are going to see major increases. But at the moment, I'm not expecting any major pumps from Bonk in 2024. What I'm expecting is for it to drop back down in value, back to where it was trading about 3-4 months ago. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we did resist earlier today at the resistance target here and peaked back up into the blue zone here. However, over the coming days, it is likely to drop into the red zone and peak back up into the blue zone by mid next week, trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. But in the next couple of months, so Q1 of 2024, I'm expecting it to have dropped back down into the red zone, is what my expectations are at the moment, due to the fact that it's gone up over about 5,000-6,000% in a space of about 6 to 8 weeks. So it is way overvalued, and the crypto is likely to drop back down into the red zone over the coming months, is what I'm expecting. But again, as I mentioned, any major changes, I will keep you guys updated. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale here. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume did go up about 25% earlier today, making it $436 million. However, the only reason I believe the trading volume has gone up is due to the fact that it pumped up earlier today. People may have thought, you know what, Bonk is coming back up, it's pumping and so on. Little did they know, it literally just crashed back down in value a couple of hours later. So yeah, hence why the trading volume has gone up a little bit. 25% is quite a lot. However, it was potentially due to this pump and drop that's taken place earlier today. But other than that, this is my take on Bonk at the moment. Unfortunately, I am not expecting 10x in 2024, but are you guys expecting that? Comment down below what is the highest figure it can hit, or can it go, what's your prediction? 5x, 10x, 20x, whatever it is. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and what your expectations are from Bonk. So let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.